Matrix, myself Akshara Shri, 2020 passed out batch. So I joined Ishwar during 2016. Ishwar enlightened me that college is not only about studies but also to develop the interpersonal skills.
Hi, I'm Meghna J. Kansagra, 2021 passed out and a proud Ishwarite. First of all, a huge congratulations to all of you to make it till here. I'm sure you guys are going to have a lot of fun and learn a lot of new things. So coming back to the department, it has got its own charm. They make you placement ready from the day one. They allow you to do a lot of mini projects. They have value added courses that will encourage your design skills, your logical skills, and that is going to take you ways, academics and training and co-curricular activities, so that is going to make a huge deal when you come out of the college. So all the best and
Hi all, I'm Rahul Prakash, 2012 batch of SEC CSE department. I'm currently working as a content writer at Clothes and I'm also branding consultant. So my journey with SEC has been a really wonderful one. It's undoubtedly the best 4 years of my life. To be honest, SEC has been my second home, and significant reasons for these are my beloved teachers, my department, and the management who have always been kind and friendly to me. They have always been the guiding pillars of my success. So if I have achieved a little bit in the short span of my career, I would definitely owe it to them. So thank you all, and I wish all the freshers the very best. I'm sure that you guys will have a great time at SEC. So enjoy your days, have a great future. Rocket. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, and I hope you all are excited. I am Mark Stephen, an alumni of SECE. In our college, SECE has a vast extracurricular activities that you can choose from. They are also involved in a lot of sports activities which will help you grow as a person. Secondly, improve your skills. I personally believe everybody has to keep learning and improving their skills. Enjoy these 4 years. These 4 years are irreplaceable. And make sure that you always remember that these 4 years will pave the way for your future. All the best and stay safe. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vasudha Sridharan. I am working in Trimble Navigations, and I am a 2019 passed out student of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. I did my BE in Electronics and Communications. The best thing about the college, I could say, is that the management, the faculty members are very supportive and very helpful to the students. When I was in college, right from the first year, we were encouraged to do projects, and there was soft skills training. We had 15 minutes activity, which all helped me in my final year during the placements. We were confident enough to face the interviews, and I could say that Ishwar built confidence in me. They provided so many opportunities that I could upskill myself and I could be a better person. So it's really nice being a part of Sri Ishwar, and I am really happy about it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rohit Gangadharan from Bangalore. I did my mechanical engineering at SEC. Through campus placement, I got into Coca-Cola as a trainee, and after 3 years now, I'm the production in charge here at Coca-Cola Bangalore plant. First of all, I would like to thank the management for the opportunity you have given me to talk to all the students in the first day of college life, because first day of college life is always so special. Even after 7 years, it is still fresh in my mind how I came with my mom and I was sitting there in the seminar hall with all hopes and anxiety of what is going to happen in the next 4 years. Nothing to worry, you will have a wonderful journey at SEC. Gain knowledge and to excel, and go outside, participate in competitions, so that it will give you confidence plus make a college name also fly high. And I wish you from bottom of my heart to all success and have a wonderful college career ahead. Good luck.
Good morning everybody. It is my immense pleasure to be speaking in front of you on this auspicious day of the induction program. I got a place in one of the best universities in Germany. படித்து முடிச்சுட்டு இப்போ 2 இயர்ஸாக ஆடியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Audi is one of the biggest prestigious automotive company in Europe, in the world as well. You guys would have known. So Audiயில் 2 இயர்ஸாக ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். The best thing is I'm still in contact with the college, not just me. என்ன மாதிரி என் பேட்சில் எல்லாரும், எனக்கு அடுத்த பந்த பேட்சில் எல்லாரும், அதுக்கு அடுத்துன்னு போன வருஷம் பாஸ் அவுட் ஆன வரைக்கும் எல்லாரும் காலேஜில் காண்டாக்டில் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ரிலேஷன் வாட் யூ வில் பி ஹேவிங் வித் த காலேஜ். 4 வருஷம் படிச்சோமா முடிச்சோமோன்னு இருக்காது. Until your life you will be learning a lot of stuff from the college. You will be touch with the college. So I wish you all to have a pleasant and beautiful life at the college. I hope that you'll be having one of the best 4 years of your life in this college. Just follow the guidance of your faculty, just follow the guidance of your management. As I told, just love your college, everything will be settled. Everything will be happening far beyond what you can imagine. You'll be reaching heights what nobody else can reach. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.
My greetings to one and all. I'm Sangapi Loganathan, a proud alumna of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering Batch 2017. So I can assure you that SECE will kind of offer this launch pad for you to get started. And that's not it. Even after offering you that launch pad to get started off, Sri Ishwar is still going to be there to support you throughout the 4 years' time. But having said that, I would also like to remind you of something. That SECE will offer a very conducive environment for you to learn, grow, flourish and become successful. But only as much as you are willing for it. So go for it. I'd like to wish you all a very great future ahead. All the very best.